Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about starting your own lip gloss business, okay? Start your own lip gloss business. Let me be your mentor. Let me help you. A lot of y'all are always reaching out to me, asking me lip gloss questions, asking me business questions, and even a lot of y'all reach out to me saying that I'm already y'all's mentor because y'all be watching my videos and they're just so helpful and y'all are learning so much information. So I wanted to sit down and make this video today and talk to you guys about the resources that I have available now in order to help you start your own lip gloss business, because you need to go ahead and get started, okay? You need to start today. There's no time to wait. So if you have been interested in starting a lip gloss business, or if you already have a lip gloss business and you feel like you need a little bit of assistance, a little bit of information, a little help, some tips and tricks, then just keep on watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below, and let's go ahead and get into the video. So as you guys may know, I just recently launched my first digital book, which is The Secret Sauce, the formula book that will have you whipping up gloss in no time, okay? So I have been planning to do a formula book for a very long time, and I kind of went back and forth with myself about whether I wanted to share the formula, don't share the formula. Are you still gonna get orders if you share the formula? Is your business gonna still go if you share the formula? And honestly, I just came to the conclusion that I should go ahead and share the formula because I'm only one person, okay? I can't scale my business up to the point that I want it to be if I keep trying to do everything myself. So it's a lot easier for me now to just give you guys all of the information and knowledge that y'all need versus me having to make lip gloss for 18,000 people or 24,000 people that we have over here on YouTube. So there's just a lot of people in the world, and I did realize that I can't be greedy. I can't, you know, expect for everyone to shop lip gloss with me. You know, some people want to mix their own lip gloss. Some people kind of want to be in control of their own thing and they don't want to wait for the next person, but they still need the information. So I think it's definitely amazing that I decided to launch The Secret Sauce. So that's kind of like the first step, is like you're getting all your raw materials, you're practicing, you're figuring out if you like this formula, if you want to tweak this formula, what is it that you want to do, because that's kind of like the beginning of your business. But as I said in that book, at the end of The Secret Sauce, I even say your formula is not the only thing that you need in order to create a strong foundation for your business. You also need good branding, and you also need good packaging. You also need to market your products. So I'm going to be doing multiple digital books. I already told you guys digital content is the wave now, and you guys really reacted so well to The Secret Sauce. Oh my god, I was overwhelmed, honestly. Like the day that it launched, when I had to send out all the pre-orders, I was overwhelmed because I hadn't been counting in the process, but to just see how many people pre-ordered that book, the love was out of this world. So if you purchased The Secret Sauce during the pre-order or even after it launched, thank you so much for supporting me. This content is just my way of being able to help more people. So the people that are out of the country that I'm not able to ship to right now because I'm not shipping internationally, I can still reach them. The people that may not want to shop my actual containers or my actual filled tubes, I can still reach them. But I still have that segment of customers that do want smudge gloss. They do want me to mix their lip gloss containers and fill their tubes up for them. So it's like it's a balance, okay? So I can cater to everyone now, the people that want just the formula and the people that want me to just mix it up for them. So we have The Secret Sauce, that's step number one. My second digital book is actually available right now for pre-order as you are watching this video, and that is What's the Tea on Branding. So like I said, branding is kind of like the most important thing, honestly, because if you don't have a solid brand, it doesn't matter if you have a beautiful product, if you have this beautiful formula, but your branding is really weak and you don't have a strong brand image, you're not going to be able to sell your product. So branding is kind of one of those really important things that you really need to make sure that you have under control. So I knew that branding was going to be the second book, and it is now available for pre-order as you are watching this video. So branding, we're going to talk about your brand image, we're going to talk about your logo, we're going to talk about your mission statement, we're going to talk about your brand statement, your aesthetic, we're going to talk about color palettes. I just have so much information in this book for you guys, and I talk about my experience when it came to me branding my business, because I made so many mistakes, you guys. At the beginning, I was just, you know, I just didn't know what I was doing, so I was learning as I went along, and I made a ton of mistakes. So I talked about all that stuff. Y'all know how open I am, y'all know how transparent I am, and y'all know that I'm going to give y'all the tea. Okay, so what's the tea on branding? There's going to be the step-by-step. We're going to talk about it all. We're going to go in depth. We're going to talk about your brand voice. We're going to talk about your customer perception, because a lot of the times you might see your brand in one way and then your customers might be seeing it in a whole different way. Like your message might not be getting across how you want it to, and that's not good. So we're going to talk about all that stuff in What's the Tea on Branding. I'm so excited. My second digital book, I feel like the process is moving super fast, but I had to set it up this way because I know that y'all out there that want to start your own business, y'all don't have time to wait. Like, y'all don't want to get your formula and then that's it. Y'all don't know what to do about the branding, y'all don't know what to do about the packaging. So I'm kind of like rolling these books out left and right, because I want to give y'all the information. I want to give it to y'all as quickly as I possibly can, because I want y'all to get going. You know, I want y'all to get y'all businesses going, get that stuff together, get that stuff together, okay? So that is available right now. So you currently have 2 digital books that could assist you. The Secret Sauce right now, which is available for instant download. So if you purchase that on my website, it is going to send you a download link right away. You'll be able to get your file right away. We're doing the pre-order for What's the Tea on Branding. That is going to launch on June 15th. So on June 15th, I'm gonna be sending out all the copies just like I did for the Secret Sauce. I'm gonna send out the copies via email for you guys so that y'all can have y'all's digital file. And then on that day, it's gonna open up to the instant download. There's a lot of stuff happening, sis. That's why I said, let me sit down, make a video. I had to come on here and talk to y'all real quick. And I'm gonna get on Instagram Live too and talk to my Instagram squad too. But last but not least, I wanted to talk about my mentorship program, because I also did launch my mentorship program. I am really excited about the mentorship because of the fact that I was already doing business consulting, and I still am doing business consulting, but our calls are only for 1 hour. So there would be a lot of times where y'all would have a lot of questions, and we could only kind of hit that question on the surface level. Like, we couldn't really get super deep into it because we were trying to conserve time and make sure that we got to every single question. That resulted in a lot of the people that were booking business consultings with me, they're booking multiple appointments. Like, they're booking 1 appointment for this week, and then they might book another check-in next month and another check-in in 2 months. So you guys are spending a lot of money to sit down with me and have an hour conversation with me about your business, but sometimes that's not beneficial. You know, doing it sporadically is not beneficial at all. Like, I need y'all to be consistent. I need y'all to do what y'all need to do. Doing 1 meeting this month and 1 meeting next month just gives you way too much time in between to fall off. And I know what that feeling is like when you get distracted and, you know, you fall off of what you're supposed to be doing. So I want a program where it's something that we are going to be able to go deeper into these things that y'all are struggling with, or these things that y'all want to learn more about, and do consistent check-ins. So with my Let's Eat mentorship program, it's called Let's Eat because there's enough room at the table for all of us to eat, okay? There is enough room at the top for all of us to win. That is what I live by. I am never trying to hog, you know, success or anything. Like, I want to be successful, but I also want the next person to be successful too. I am never stingy. I know that there is enough out here for all of us. There are so many people in this world. Everybody's going to have their own supporters, their own audience, and that's going to be that. So that's why I called it Let's Eat mentorship program, because I want to see you win. I want to see all of us win. I want to see all of us win, okay? That's my mentorship program. It is a month-long program, and we're going to be doing weekly check-ins. We're going to have 4 Zoom calls in total, so they're going to happen weekly. So every week we're going to have 1 call on a Sunday. I picked Sunday because Sunday is just like the best day for me with my schedule. So that's like the day that I'm sitting still, so I want to make sure that I'll be able to give y'all my undivided attention. So we're going to be doing our meetings on Sundays, and there's limited spots. As you can see, I'm only doing meetings on one day. I'm not accepting a lot of mentees right now because I want to make sure that I'm able to cater to each and every mentee that I do have. So I'm gonna take a day, we're gonna pack it full with just mentorship stuff, and I'm so happy to do that. Like, I'm really happy and excited to do that for you guys, and I'm excited to be part of your journey. So I just wanted to come on YouTube and share this because I haven't talked about it on YouTube yet. I have talked about it on Instagram, but I do have limited spots for our mentorship program, and I just think that this would be such a benefit to your business to ask all the questions that you want to ask. Even if I don't know the answer, we can research it together. I'm pretty freaking good at researching, okay? I tell people that all the time. I'm not an expert. I don't know the answer to everything. I just know things based off of my experience and my own personal research, but I am humble to say that I don't know everything, and I have even sat with some of my supporters during a business consulting session and actually researched with them while we were on Zoom. So there's no problem there. Like, if I don't know the answer and you don't know the answer, we're gonna figure out the answer together, okay? We're gonna figure it out by any means necessary. So I just think that this will be really amazing for your business. I had to share. All right, start your lip gloss business today, and let me help you. Let me be that resource to you. I am going to be doing a lot more things digitally, like I've been saying. It's really fulfilling for me right now to see how many people that I can reach digitally that I couldn't reach physically. So this is like, it's a huge point in my business. I'm getting orders from so many different countries right now because everyone is just purchasing the secret sauce, and that is just beautiful to me to see how many different people from different countries really know me and support me. So I've just been riding cloud nine, y'all. I've been so excited. I've just been smiling, and I've just been planning and listening to y'all's feedback, and y'all are sending in topics. So I'm like, okay, in addition to the digital books that I was already going to make, now I have more that I can add on. So it's gonna be an ongoing thing. I wanna let y'all know that now. So when you see kind of like Instagram take over with all these digital files and books and things, that's kind of the way that this is going into, because a lot of people are interested in the how to start a lip gloss business, how to maintain a lip gloss business, how to get more sales. That's going to be a topic, packaging, vendors, all that kind of stuff. So I just want to cater to y'all. I want to give y'all what y'all want, and this is what y'all told me that y'all want, so here I am. I'm doing it. I'm doing it for y'all because I love y'all, and I would not be in the place that I am right now without y'all. Y'all's love and support is literally what keeps me going. I want to make sure that I'm actively listening to y'all and trying to do as much as I possibly can that y'all want to see. So that is my tea for today. I hope I'm not forgetting anything. I don't think so. Oh, I am forgetting one thing. If you sign up for my mentorship program, you will receive the secret sauce for free. Okay, so if you decide that you want to join the program for June, the opening right now is for June, and once June is full, I'm going to open July. So if you don't get in for June, then you can sign up for July, because like I said, it's going to be a monthly thing. If you purchase a spot in my mentorship program, you will receive the secret sauce for free, because that's just part of the process, and we're kind of like going through the process. Another benefit of the mentorship program is that you're gonna have a syllabus. Okay, when I was in college, as soon as I got to the first day of class, here's the syllabus. Even before the first day of class, we already had the syllabus on our online portal. So I had the syllabus, I knew what supplies I needed, I knew what the assignments were, what the projects were, when the due dates were. So I had this whole curriculum, you know, so there's a layout to everything, and it goes from the beginning to end. So instead of depending on y'all, when we do a business consulting, I kind of want you to get what you need out of it for that hour. So you kind of have control. You ask the questions you want to ask. I'm just there to provide feedback and answer questions. But with the mentorship program, I have laid out this whole course for y'all. So within a month, we're going to be hitting all of the points from point A to point Z. Okay, like we're starting from the beginning to the end. And I've already laid out all the topics topics for y'all. So y'all can definitely ask questions and everything, but that's kind of the biggest difference between the mentorship and between just a regular business consulting. Just for reference, my mentorship is $150 if you want to sign up. Like I said, you get the secret sauce for free, but just take into account that my business consulting sessions are $100. So if you were to book 4 sessions with me, that's $400. So this mentorship is such a good price, and you're gonna get so much more information out of the mentorship than you would just a regular business consulting call. I'm just excited. I will have all the links down below for you guys, and the product descriptions for everything are super detailed. So if you have any other questions, leave them in the comments, but also make sure you read those product descriptions, because I try to be as thorough as possible. You know, I try to do the best that I can to answer everything that could be possibly asked prior to you guys asking. But if I missed anything, if you have any more questions, just let me know down below. I will be happy to answer any questions for y'all, because I love y'all. I love y'all, okay? Y'all know this. Y'all know I love y'all. That's pretty much all that I have for today. I just wanted to do a quick little sit down, a quick little update. This is kind of an update, business update on what I have going on and what I have been doing for the past couple weeks, probably really the past month. I have been working nonstop on just digital files and catching up on orders and everything. Just stay tuned, more content on the way, because we just hit 24K on YouTube. 24K on YouTube. I am just, words can't even describe how excited I am to continue growing this YouTube channel. Like, I don't think y'all really understand how excited I am. And then also y'all are asking me about YouTube channels, so that's gonna be a whole other digital book, I feel like, how to start a YouTube channel. I want to talk about YouTube. We always talk about Instagram, we always talk about TikTok. I want to talk about YouTube, okay? So let me stop rambling, because y'all know I will be here with y'all all day. I love y'all so much. I just want to say thank you to everyone that is supporting me, everyone that has purchased from me, anyone that has purchased the secret sauce, that purchased, you know, anything. I don't care what it is. If you just spend money on my website, I love you. If you have shared my videos, shared my pictures, my Instagram posts, anything, I really, really, really love you, and I really appreciate all of the support. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel down below, and I will see you guys in my next video.